In a recent interview, Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, shared some terrifying messages about the potential dangers of artificial intelligence. He warned of the risk of bias and discrimination, unemployment, online echo chambers, fake news, and battle robots. Bias and discrimination. Hinton pointed out that AI systems are often trained on data that is biased, which can lead to them making discriminatory decisions. For example, an AI system that is trained on a dataset of resumes that are mostly from men is likely to be biased against women. AI systems are trained on data, and if that data is biased, then the AI system will be biased as well. For example, if an AI system is trained on a dataset of resumes that are mostly from men, then the system is likely to be biased against women. This can lead to AI systems making discriminatory decisions, such as denying a job to a qualified woman because the system thinks she is less likely to be a good employee. AI systems are trained on data, and this data can be biased in a number of ways. For example, the data may be biased by gender, race, ethnicity, age, or other factors. If the data is biased, then the AI system will learn to be biased as well. In the example you gave, if an AI system is trained on a data set of resumes that are mostly from men, then the system is likely to learn that men are more qualified for jobs than women. This is because the system will see more resumes from men who have been successful in their careers. As a result, the system is likely to favor male candidates over female candidates when making hiring decisions. This can lead to a number of problems, including qualified women are less likely to be hired for jobs. Women are more likely to be passed over for promotions. Women are more likely to be paid less than men for the same work. There are a number of things that can be done to address AI bias in resume screening. One is to use a more diverse dataset to train the AI system. This means including resumes from a variety of genders, races, ethnicities, and ages. Another is to use techniques to identify and remove bias from the data. This can be done by using statistical methods or by manually reviewing the data. Unemployment. AI is already being used to automate many jobs, and this trend is likely to continue. As AI becomes more powerful, it will be able to automate even more jobs. This could lead to mass unemployment as machines replace human workers. This could have a devastating impact on the economy and society as people lose their jobs and struggle to find new ones. Unemployment. Hinton also warned that AI could lead to mass unemployment as machines become capable of doing more and more jobs that are currently done by humans. This could have a devastating impact on the economy and society. Online echo chambers. Hinton argued that AI could be used to create online echo chambers, where people are only exposed to information that confirms their existing beliefs. This could lead to a more polarized and divided society. Battle robots. Battle robots are autonomous weapons systems powered by AI. These robots could be used to fight wars without human intervention, which could have devastating consequences. For example, battle robots could be used to target civilians or to commit war crimes. These are just some of the potential dangers of AI. It is important to be aware of these risks so that we can take steps to mitigate them and ensure that AI is used for good. Here are some additional things to mention in the expanded section. The importance of developing ethical AI guidelines and standards. The need for transparency and accountability in AI systems. The importance of educating the public about the potential dangers of AI. The need for international cooperation to address the challenges of AI. It is important to have a balanced and nuanced discussion about the potential dangers of AI. We should not sensationalize the topic, but we should also not ignore the risks. By having an informed discussion, we can work together to ensure that AI is used for good and not for harm. Fake news. Hinton also warned of the dangers of fake news, which could be amplified by AI. AI-generated fake news could be very convincing, making it difficult for people to tell the difference between real and fake news. Hinton's warnings are a wake-up call for us to take the potential dangers of AI seriously. We need to start thinking about how to mitigate these risks and ensure that AI is used for good. This will require collaboration among experts from various disciplines, including ethicists, social scientists, and engineers. Hinton's warnings serve as an urgent and thought-provoking wake-up call that demands our attention regarding the potential hazards associated with the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI. As AI technologies continue to progress at an unprecedented rate, it is crucial that we heed these warnings and take proactive measures to address and mitigate the potential risks they pose. The emergence of AI systems with increasingly sophisticated capabilities has the potential to revolutionize numerous aspects of our lives, from healthcare and transportation to education and entertainment. However, as these technologies become more integrated into our society, the ethical, social, and even existential implications must be carefully considered. This is where the significance of Hinton's call to action lies, in recognizing the imperative to treat AI development as a double-edged sword, with both remarkable potential and conceivable peril. In order to confront these challenges head-on, a multidisciplinary approach is imperative. Collaboration among experts from various fields is essential to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a responsible and beneficial manner. Ethicists can provide invaluable insights into the ethical dilemmas AI may introduce, aiding in the establishment of guidelines and standards that align with our moral values. Social scientists can help us comprehend the broader societal implications of AI adoption, including its impact on labor markets, privacy, and power dynamics. Engineers, at the core of AI development, have a pivotal role in implementing safeguards and fail-safe mechanisms to minimize risks. This includes developing AI systems that are transparent, interpretable, and capable of explaining their decisions. Furthermore, AI should be designed to adapt to changing circumstances and unforeseen scenarios, reducing the potential for catastrophic failures. An essential aspect of addressing AI's potential dangers involves international cooperation and policymaking. The collaborative efforts of governments, regulatory bodies, and international organizations are crucial to establish a unified approach to AI governance. This can involve creating legal frameworks, setting industry standards, and establishing oversight to prevent the misuse of AI technologies. Public awareness and education are also fundamental in this process. As AI becomes more ubiquitous, it's vital for the general public to understand its capabilities, limitations, and potential consequences. This empowers individuals to make informed decisions and actively participate in discussions surrounding AI ethics and regulations. Hinton's warnings serve as a rallying cry for us to take the advancement of AI seriously and approach it with a well-informed and cautious mindset. The complex challenges and potential dangers that AI presents require collaborative efforts across disciplines. Ethicists, social scientists, and engineers must come together to ensure that AI technologies are developed and implemented in ways that prioritize the greater good while minimizing potential harms. Through this collective endeavor, we can harness the transformative potential of AI while safeguarding our ethical values and societal well-being. The importance of ethical AI practices, such as ensuring that AI systems are transparent and accountable, and that they are not used to discriminate or harm people. The need for international cooperation to develop and implement global standards for AI. The importance of educating the public about the potential dangers of AI, so that people can be aware of the risks and make informed decisions about how to use AI. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, AI, it is imperative to uphold ethical practices that prioritize transparency, accountability, and non-discrimination. These principles serve as the foundation for ensuring AI benefits society as a whole, without causing harm or perpetuating bias. Ethical AI practices involve designing systems that are transparent, meaning their inner workings can be understood and interpreted. This transparency not only enhances user trust, but also allows experts to identify and rectify any unintended biases or errors that might arise in the system's decision-making processes. Additionally, accountability ensures that if something goes wrong, there are mechanisms in place to assign responsibility and rectify any potential negative outcomes. A critical aspect of ethical AI is avoiding discrimination and harm. AI systems must be developed with the utmost care to ensure that they don't perpetuate biases or discriminate against individuals or groups based on factors such as race, gender, or socioeconomic status. Striving for fairness in AI is not just a matter of ethical responsibility, but also a way to prevent reinforcing existing societal inequalities. In this context, international cooperation emerges as a necessity. The global nature of AI technology demands the establishment of harmonized standards and regulations that transcend geographical boundaries. Collaboration between nations, organizations, and experts is essential to develop a unified framework for AI governance. By setting shared guidelines, we can prevent a fragmented landscape of AI development and ensure that ethical standards are upheld consistently across various applications and industries. Education plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of AI. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it is crucial to educate the public about its potential benefits and risks. By providing accessible and accurate information, people can make informed decisions about how they interact with AI. Raising awareness about AI's capabilities and limitations empowers individuals to become responsible users and advocates for ethical AI practices. The journey towards harnessing the full potential of AI rests on a foundation of ethical practices, global collaboration, and public awareness. Transparent and accountable AI systems, free from discrimination and harm, are essential for creating a technology-driven future that benefits everyone. By fostering international cooperation, we can ensure that AI evolves in a responsible and consistent manner. Educating the public about AI's nuances empowers individuals to navigate this evolving landscape wisely. Ultimately, these efforts collectively shape an AI-powered world that aligns with our shared values and aspirations. Be subscribed my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.